I'll be continuing my work that I've undertaken with Prime Minister Sanchez in terms of the importance of the European Union using every lever at its disposal to help bring about a ceasefire in Gaza. And of course, it's important to say Europe has not yet used every lever at its disposal. It is entirely appropriate that the EU-Israel Association Agreement would be reviewed. That is not yet the majority position of the European Union. I will be making that point that we should review that agreement. It's absolutely the clear view of the people of Ireland and the government of Ireland. But I'll also be making the point that Ireland now, in the context of the ICJ advisory opinion of July, will not wait for everybody in Europe to move on the issue of trade in the Occupied Palestinian Territories. And next week, my government will receive formal advices from our own Attorney General as to what we may be able to do in this area, because the context has very much changed since the ICJ advisory opinion has been given in July. In fact, I would go so far as to say it is now no longer a discretion on countries that support the ICJ. It is an obligation to take actions to help give effect to that opinion.